Good evening. Welcome to my daily show, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Stocks, where I analyze these things using very basic but powerful technical indicators. And because this is using very basic and powerful technical indicators, I believe that anyone can trade. Another two playlists from a trading program that I want to talk about for anybody who is interested in trading is this playlist of trading strategies where I talk about trading strategies associated with any one technical indicator. This is a fortnightly program and you should definitely look at it. The other playlist that is extremely important is Successful Trader Psychology. So this is again a fortnightly program where I talk about I use analogies from films, sports, and mythology to explain the psychology of a successful trader. All this is extremely important for any trader who wants to be successfully trading for and consistently trading for a long time in the markets. So first things first, our STT trading system, the Surf the Tide trading system, went short today at 11,513 levels, and it had gone long, I think, at 11,470 on 19th August. So currently, that particular trading system is short. However, that doesn't mean that I should talk only about the trading system. I want to talk a bit about Nifty itself. So one of the things that we can see is that, for example, Nifty has gone below this trend line which was supporting it in this entire rally, and that itself is a negative sign. The second negative sign is that today qualifies to be called a bearish engulfing candle, and a very large one at that. So that itself is again a negative candle on its own. As a standalone, it's negative. On top of it, it comes at this point of the trend where it has already gone up quite a bit. So that is probably a negative sign. The third thing that is negative is, of course, that it has broken this trend line, and that itself is negative. And finally, this long-term trend line, which was supporting Nifty all along the rally in 2019, has and which it broke above in this last few days. Again, Nifty has come back down below that trend line. So that again is a bit of a negative. So all things considered, that's where Nifty stands. It has given a few negative signs today, and the fact is that our STT trading system has also gone short at 11,513 levels. So Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has not yet turned short. It, I think, was around 50 rupees. It turned from around 50 rupees above the trigger level. So Bank Nifty has not yet turned short, which is actually one positive sign for Bank Nifty. The second thing that Bank Nifty has done, which is impressive, is that while it had gone above this trend line of the Bank Nifty had moved above this trend line in the last 3-4 days, today it has come and touched the trend line. It has not broken below that. So that again is a bit of a positive for Bank Nifty, and clearly it is all above the 89-day high-low band and the 50-day moving average. So that goes without saying. On top of it, I think it is slightly above these highs that it had made, the double top it had made here. So Bank Nifty is definitely showing a little more strength than Nifty itself has shown today. So we will have to wait and see where it leads. Bata features in my list today because it actually came and rested below it tried to go above the 89-day high-low band and now has come below that and rested here. On top of it, this is not a perfect evening star, but it is a kind of evening star kind of pattern. This evening star would have been perfect if this was kind of a doji, but it is not. So this is a kind of evening star pattern. So if this low is broken here, then Bata definitely is indicating weakness. So I had talked about Marico a couple of days ago, and that is when I talked about it when I said that Marico had come below the first trend line but was resting on this trend line, etc. So it was resting on this trend line, but today definitely you can say that it has broken below that trend line, clearly broken below the trend line. Again, there was also this extreme negative divergence in Marico. So this is this Marico has been going up, and I had been talking about the fact that the RSI has been coming down, and therefore Marico really has been showing a negative divergence in the charts for some time. And today's move looks like the negative divergence is finally actually being confirmed by the price movement in Marico. So at this moment in time, we can say that Marico does look weak based on these technical indicators. If you like what you saw and you want to be notified about our new videos, then please show your love by subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon too. Don't forget to visit www.themoneymojo.com for more on our training programs, podcasts and blogs.